Welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about Pear Deck and how to get Pear Deck onto your Google Slides. So what is Pear Deck? What does it do? Well, it works specifically with Google Slides, and it makes your Google Slide presentation more interactive for your students. So instead of just sitting there and absorbing the information, the content, it allows them to interact with the presentation so they can respond to questions, whether they be yes, no, text questions. They can drag icons around. They can do lots and lots of neat and interesting things. Now, Pear Deck is free, but there is also a paid version of it. So there it is. So the free version allows that interactivity, but the paid version will allow you to see who responded to what. And to capture that information on their peardeck.com website, where you can go and reference it over and over again. Now, they do have custom pricing for schools and for districts, but of course, you'll need to contact them. So how do you get Pear Deck on your presentation? So you go to Add-ons and get Add-ons. As you can see, Pear Deck is already there. But you will find a Pear Deck is one of the most popular ones, so it's going to be right up there. You can just search for it. And when you click on it, you can install it. Now, because I'm an admin, I can install it for everybody, but so yours might look a little different than mine. But once it's installed, you click on Add-ons again, you come down to Pear Deck and open Pear Deck Add-on, and that's it. And you're going to get this little window that slides out on the right-hand side. And yeah, that's how you add it on there. Now, you will notice this bar at the bottom of some of the Pear Deck slides, on all of the Pear Deck slides. Do not delete it. If you delete it, that takes away the interactivity. It just becomes a regular slide then. So please don't delete that. Always keep that up there. And so how do you add a Pear Deck slide to your presentation? Well, you have two choices. You can add one manually with Ask a Student a Question right here. Or if you go up to the top, you can go to their template library. And their template library has some great templates to choose from. I am speeding up my screen right now, so you don't have to sit there and watch me pick one. But there are just tremendous choices for subject, beginning of the lesson, end of the lesson, during the lesson, just lots and lots and lots and lots to pick on. I'm going to choose this one here, which is it says, I wonder, and there's a thought bubble. Well, I can change that I wonder. In fact, I can change almost anything I want about this slide. Resize the thought bubble, whatever I want to do. And there, once it adds it in there. Now, if I want to do a manual one, let's say I want to have my own multiple choice. I have to create a brand new slide before I add that on there. It just won't add it in like the template did. So here I'm going to pick multiple choice, and I'm going to have it 3, 4, and 5. So my question is going to be, what is 2 plus 2? Now, it's not going to show the choices on the slide right there. So I'm just going to leave that there, and when I present it, the students will see the choices. To present, you don't click the Present button from Google Slides. You have to click the Present button from the Pear Deck slide-out window. And when you do that, it says Launching a Presentation. It gives you joinpd.com and a 5-character code. And when students go to joinpd.com, it'll ask for the code. The students type in the code, and you'll see here that it'll say how many students have connected. Now, I'm just going to connect myself. And then you have to click the Start Class to begin it. Now, once it's started, students can still join. It doesn't lock them out. But one thing to know is that when you start a class, you are in control of the slideshow. Students can't go forward or backward. Only you can do that. And as you can see, I'm showing some results here, and I'm being both the student and the teacher, so I'm kind of cheating a little bit, but you can kind of see what's going on. Here's another one. This is a fun one where students get to slide. Again, if you don't show responses, you can't see it, but when you click show, you can actually see it moving around in real time, which is kind of neat, which is really, really cool. All your presentations are saved at peardeck.com. You can log in with Google and you can see them. Now, if you have the premium version, you get a lot more information. You get to see who selected what, but it's pretty good information. And that's Pear Deck in a nutshell. I hope you enjoyed.